Hi guys, this is Nandini. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been forever since I've said this, but I'm so happy I'm shooting this video because it is my birthday tomorrow and I'm going to color my hair खुद से today. I am quite scared but कलर पूरा जा चुका है जो मैंने कराया था उसको ऑलमोस्ट 10 months भी हो गए हैं. सो आई थॉट कि अब मैं कर ही लेती हूँ कलर. सो दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी दैट व्लॉग और उसके साथ मैं थोड़ा बहुत अपने बर्थडे के क्लिप्स वगैरह भी डाल दूँगी. सो या आई एम टू एक्साइटेड. Before starting this vlog, I would like to mention this brand called Zook. They sell bags. They are 100% vegan and they are proudly made in India. They sell sling bags, tote bags, baguette bags, shoulders bags. So I ordered this bag for my mother for Mother's Day and I would like to show you how it looks. It is really good quality and surprisingly okay, so I ordered the shoulder bag which looks like a baguette. I'll leave a picture here. So I got this bag and I wasn't expecting it to be this big, but wait, let me show you. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, so this strap is quite long. Like you can wear it like a sling bag as well and like a shoulder bag as well. It is looking so good na. Like they have ऐसे prints के bag only, like this print, इक्कत print and a lot of bohemian bags. So yeah, as I was saying कि I was not expecting this bag to be this big, but it quite works for me because I can fit a lot of things in this bag. Like this can be my go-to bag and I'll just put everything and go. I know I've ordered it for my mama, but I'm sure I'm going to steal it all the time and use it because it is looking too good. Like it can add a quick block to your outfit as well while you are wearing a full western outfit. So if you guys want to order anything from Zook's website, if you want to order any tote bag, sling bag or anything, I have a surprise for you. You can use my promo code and get a flat 15% off on their website or on Instagram page. So I'll leave my promo code on the screen as well as in the description box down below. I'll leave all the details in the descriptions, the Zook's website, their Instagram page, their my promo code. So if you want to save some bucks, do use my promo code. Okay, so before hair color apply करने से ना there is a list of how you have to prepare. It is available on the website जिसका color I have ordered. So सबसे पहला step था कि to shampoo and dry your hair properly before the application so the color deposits well. So I have shampooed my hair and I have not applied any conditioner because conditioner शायद नहीं apply करना होता है क्योंकि फिर उससे properly hair स्ट्रैंड्स अलग अलग नहीं हो पाते या कुछ, मुझे नहीं पता उतना, बट इसमें लिखा था तो मैंने नहीं किया. सो अभी मैं इसको ड्राई होने का वेट करूँगी. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू यूज़ अ हेयर ड्रायर. आई लेट इट एयर ड्राई. आई विल सी यू आफ्टर माई हेयर इज़ ड्राई. ओके, सो माई हेयर इज़ कम्प्लीटली ड्राई राइट नाउ. अभी आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई पेट्रोलियम जेली ऑन माई फोरहेड, ईयर्स, नेक, हैंड्स एक्सेट्रा. Okay, so I have applied the petroleum jelly. Please ignore this look, but I've quickly wanted to come here and mention that the color that I'm using is from this brand called the Birds of Paradise. It is in the shade Ruby Wine. I am going for quite a different shade, but I'll see how it looks. मतलब मुझे एक idea है कैसा लगेगा and I hope वो वैसा ही लगे. Also I wanted to mention कि this color is paraben free and इसमें कुछ भी टॉक्सिक केमिकल्स नहीं है. एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग इट ऑन माई हेयर. दिस स्मेल सो गुड. ये ना ऐसा स्मेल कर रहा है कि बेरीज वगैरह को सिर्फ पीस के इसमें डाल दिया है. इट इज़ सो थिक. मेरा ना हाथ शेक हो रहा है, मैं इतना डर रही हूँ, बट आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट नाउ. आई एम टेकिंग इतना सेक्शन. आई थिंक दिस विल बी मोर देन इनफ. सो आई एम अप्लाइंग इट फ्रॉम द मिड लेंथ बिकॉज मुझे थोड़ा ऑम्ब्रे इफेक्ट चाहिए। यहाँ पे मेरे बाल ब्लीच्ड हैं तो वहाँ पे कलर ज़्यादा दिखेगा, और यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है, लाइक मेरे नॉर्मल वर्जन हेयर है तो कुछ आई गेस थोड़ा कलर आएगा। सो आई थिंक इट विल गिव अ नाइस इफेक्ट। अभी आई एम गोइंग टू क्लोज इट। I'm going to repeat this I don't know how many times, but I'm going to do it off camera because कैमरे के स्क्रीन पे देख के करना is too difficult. So I'm going to grab a mirror and do it, and I'll be right back. Guys, the application is done. It took me about 20 to 25 minutes पूरे बाल पे लगाने के लिए. At the end मैंने ब्रश से नहीं लगाया. I did it with my hand only because उससे easier और faster था. अभी I'll keep it for around 45 to 60 minutes and then I'll wash it and show you the final look tomorrow. That is on my birthday. Bye. So guys, this is how my hair looks after the hair color. So I did my hair coloring yesterday and this is the day 2. I really like how it turned out. Like ना ही ज़्यादा है ना ही कम है. I was expecting it to be like this only. So I'm quite happy with the results. I will insert a before and after clip for a better comparison. And now I'm going to go and get ready for my birthday dinner and I'll see you guys then. For my birthday outfit I'm wearing pink trousers, sneak peek, but उसके matching का I want to put a little pop of color on my face. So मैंने पहले सोचा कि I'll go for a pink lip, but I'm not feeling that today, so I'm going to do a pink inner corner. So I have this blush with me. Now it's totally broken, so I can't focus it and show you because मैं ऐसे करूँगी तो वो गिर जाएगा. So this is the Lakme 925 Pure Rouge blusher. This is super pigmented. तो ये blush से ज़्यादा अच्छा तो inner corner पे लगता है. So I'm going to apply that and I'll show you. I'm using this brush. Like this is also broken, but इसका काफ़ी tapered end है, so it's easier to apply in the inner corner area. So I've picked up a little blush. I'm going to tap it out. Okay, can you see the difference? It's looking so good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same on my other eye. Okay, first of all I'll show you a little bit close up. So मैंने साइड से स्टार्ट करके थोड़ा मतलब फर्स्ट हाफ तक लगाया है बिकॉज इट लुक्स गुड, और मैंने नीचे भी उतना ही ड्रैग किया है. नाउ अभी मैं आईलाइनर आई विल प्रॉब्ली गो फॉर फॉक्स eyeliner only. So I'll do that and do this inner corner thing on this eye and I'll be right back. Hi guys, so I'm ready for my dinner party. So this is how my makeup is looking. I did add a little bit eyeliner here as well क्योंकि मुझे थोड़ा incomplete लग रहा था, और इसके बाद it just looked awesome. So उसके अलावा I've just worn this bougie jewelry because सब कुछ मेरे पैंट का मैचिंग है. I will show you my outfit in just a second. उसके अलावा about the hair color, कभी थोड़ा नहीं दिख रहा है आर्टिफिशियल लाइट में, बट बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कलर. नीचे एंड्स में एकदम प्रॉपर आ रखा है. And yeah, I'm so happy with how my makeup has turned out today because बर्थडे के दिन मेकअप अच्छा टर्न नहीं होता है, और आज हो गया. So guys, this is my outfit for my birthday. So the pants are from Young Berry, the top is from Ginger, all my jewelry is from Pantaloon, and this is from my sister. Okay, bye. Now I'm going to go. Hi guys, so I am back from my birthday dinner and it is currently 12:17. मतलब ख़त्म हो गया मेरा birthday, but I've just come here to tell you all thank you for all the wishes first of all, and secondly I'm just here to say that I'm very grateful for everything that I have in my life. I'm super grateful for all the people that I've surrounded myself with, and anything that I put out on my YouTube channel that you guys love, and any work that I get. Thank you for everything. And yeah, today was good. After 2 years, I celebrated my birthday properly. Yeah, I just enjoyed it. Just wanted to say that. Here's to new beginnings. I am finally in my 20s. This decade is super important in my life. I hope that I work twice as hard as I worked in the last decade. I want to make a lot of vlogs for you all. I want to boost my YouTube and my Instagram. So yeah, I just hope I'm able to do all of that. Bye. Love you.